Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day. I know it's no sun, so I will block this, guys. Mr. Perfect. Goodbye. Funny animals. Sorry, my friend. Goodbye. For Nasdaq, I use 0.15. 0.15. Why? Because there I use a bigger stop loss. The stop loss there for Nasdaq is very common, even in the difficult conditions and everything, to do in 1 minute 70, 80 pips. For that reason, um, I use a bigger stop there because it's impossible to work with the 50 or 40 pips Nasdaq. So that is the reason. I reduce the lot size and use bigger stop loss. Okay. The Nasdaq is for the people in Telegram. Let's see if we can find a good result. We got the confirmation. We still not at the same point of entry. Let's see what happened there. Let's see what happened there. With gold, it's different today. Gold, I was expecting to go with a retracement around 41.30, 41.30 for open the short. But well, in this moment, just waiting. Probably gold will arrive to the long position. I don't know what is AA funded. It's a prop firm or something. I think it's a prop firm. I think he's talking about a prop firm. But again, guys, if you want to clarify what is the best option for you, what is the best um, people likes to test the knowledge and everything, just go into the prompt match. There You will see what is the best option, what is the best promotion what you have, because if you open the link you will see a lot of promotions too. So just go there and check. You have many information there, many list of prop firms, and all of that prop firms are verified, they pay, they work good. They, of course, all of them are different with different rules and everything. The only thing what you need to do is compare that information what you are looking for, and if you are agree, just go into that prop firm seeing for a challenge, and that's all. Pretty simple. You will find thousand of prop firms, cheaper ones, and everything into the in Google. But I recommend if you're thinking of a prop firm, just go into the prop firm match, and there you will see what is there, the real ones who are still working with no issues. Okay, so be clear of that. The link is into the description, and the link I will share into the chat, guys. How do you do that buy some? I mean, why? This is the volume by some. volume volume by some in 1 hour. Well, in 4 hours. 4 hours and 1 hour is mix. So let me check here. And this one. Hola Laurito, hace unos días perdí mucho. ¿Crees que es momento para entrar? A lo mejor esperar unos días. ¿Quemó la cuenta o le dejó algo? ¿Qué pasó? Teme un poco más. A ver, ¿qué definimos? If next candle give me the first one by like me. Ok, entonces no. Quédese tranquilo. Cierra el stream y regrese ahí el próximo lunes. Marcos, hola, mi amigo. Marcilio, welcome, my friend. So while he's testing the sun. So let's see what happened here. We need to see like a pin bar reaction or something like this for confirm the trade. If not, we're still waiting. So while waiting, waiting, guys. 4 minutes for see what happened. What happening to that sun? Still falling. It's falling hard. So probably it will break that sun. For that reason, we didn't open any position without confirmation. Sorry if you opened the trade without confirmation and everything. But that's a possibility. 40, So let's see what happened there. Just waiting. Just waiting. So while still waiting, Nasdaq is still into the point of entry. Not too much. What happened now, guys? This is a really important point. The sun is still there. The sun is still there. Okay. So it's the same scenario what we are seeing. I think Wednesday or Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. Not sure, but well, just if the price go back to the 41.11, we will change the. Well, we will continue with the long position. Okay, if the price go to the 41.11 and then goes back, the buy sum will change to the sell sum. So that means it will change. So we need to wait 15 minutes more for clarify the position. Okay. So let's wait. Be patient. That's all. Be patient. If I have noticed something weird, Nasdaq, I will inform into the Telegram. At this moment, still there into the range with not a good reaction, but the price still in a consolidation there. So let's see. Let's see. The only confirmation, yes. ¿Cómo se llama tu perro? Se llama Argus. Argus y Loba. La husky se llama Loba. Friday last week? Yes, I think it was Friday. Friday was difficult. The safest lever to buy or long is when the gap is filled to 40.06. Yes, but at this moment, Um, we will see difference. So just wait this 5 minutes for clarify what happened. Hmm. Go by now? No, 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 no. We're waiting. We are waiting. Retracement price. We're waiting here, guys. We're waiting here. So let's see what happened. In this moment, with this type of reaction, I prefer to open the long, of course. I prefer to open the short, of course. But we need to clarify what happened with this candle if we want to continue with that plan, okay? So just be patient. Mhm. Well, not a successful trading Nasdaq. I don't like that reaction so hard. So I'm closing the trade now to the Nasdaq, reducing the losses. So we continue with the with gold. With gold, let's see what we have here. This is the third trade. This is 40 and 37. As that give us a really nice trade last week, but now two trades with not a good reactions. So the price is trying to grow up. Yes, remember when I call the close the trade now? It's for probably the price will grow up a little more. But it didn't give us the reaction, the proper reaction. See Oh well, let's see. It's part of the of or hold the full stop loss or hold the TPS. But well, I take my decision. See the what the price is doing there. It already break this our sun. So for that reason, I prefer to just don't hold the full TP and reduce the risk and close the position into this after, before it touch our full stop. Why? Because Nasdaq have a bigger stop. So for that reason, it's better sometimes just cut the trades, and that's all. Probably tomorrow, next week, we'll find a better position in Nasdaq or Dow Jones. We need to trade Dow Jones this month. Um, okay, so the price still there, guys. We got little reaction there. So what's the deal here again? We need to break the 0 to 5 if we want to this position continue like this. Break the 0.5 and the price ends near to the 41.11 for open the trade. The retracement around 40.07 could be nice, and then open the trade for the long position. So let's see. Or we can take the risk for open the trade around 41.05, but I don't want to work with that risk, so I'm going to wait this candle 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more. Mm. 9 minutes. Target sell price around 30, 41.30. 41.30, yes. With the buy. Our listening experience level is excellent. Thanks, my friend. Big hug for the people in India. Thanks for being here, guys. I really appreciate that. It's interesting, to most of the, I would say it's 60% of the channel is for the viewers, is for the people in India. So that's great. That's great. Probably I should learn Hindi. One day. One day. Well, report for where you're from, guys. I have people here for Kazakhstan, India, Argentina, Mexico. Jorge, Jorge is living in the United States. Jorge living in the United States. South Africa, Kenya, Tunisia. Mi amigo de España, Singapur, Malta, Brazil, France, Pakistan, of course. Uh, Top Dog 40. I always forget the United Emirates, I think. United Arabic Emirates, right? Yes, I think it's in Spanish. It's Arabia Saudita. No, it's Emiratos Árabes Unidos. Philippines, Mongolia. That's great. Poland, United States, South Africa. Yeah, many people from Poland too. Indonesia, of course, Uzbekistan, Rwanda, and beautiful people from Africa, Holland, Líbano, Brian, amigo que es de Colombia, hermoso país, Zambia, Greece, Greece. Yeah, we have a very good subscriber from Greece too. So that's nice. Nepal, Zimbabwe, Bangladesh, Canada, Iran, Ethiopia, Sri Lanka, of course. My friend from Mexico. Balance for United States. United Kingdom, of course. United Kingdom. Well, many countries. Vietnam. Capi is for Vietnam. So that's great. That's great. Beautiful. Dubai, of course. Um, Sweden, Romania, Philippines, Reunion Island. I think that's the weirdest one. Not the weirdest one, but the not that common. I think it's an Iceland, right? An Iceland for France, Uganda, Somalia, Lesotho. I hear about Lesotho too. Many people from Mars, of course. Mi amigo de República Dominicana. Greetings for Sweden. Beautiful. I really enjoyed the Sweden bands. You know the music for Sweden. Japan, sailing, of course. An important member of our community. Sailing. Nigeria, Germany. And today, well, a friend from Germany come last week to my house. She's go out today for Frankfurt, Frankfurt, Australia. That's beautiful. Cape Town, Sri Lanka again, Ethiopia, Luxembourg, beautiful place, Switzerland, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is not that common, too. Well, guys, and El Salvador, mi amigo. Another one for Reunion Island, Italy, Norway. Well, as you can see, guys, many of countries, but no one say like I'm from Costa Rica, Manila. I'm from the Caribbean, Zambia, Louisiana, mi amigo. That's nice. United States, China. I think it's very late in China at this moment. DV, Costa Rica, mi amigo, pura vida. Bueno, tenemos uno de Costa Rica. Al fin. Iran, Ghana, Nepal, Korea, South Korea, Brillani. Terrible comunidad te hiciste, ahorita, ¿por qué terrible? Es hermosa. Morocco, Eunice, my friend, thanks. After the trade, I will share the information about this trade. Vietnam, of course, London again, Wakanda forever. So well, many people from different countries. The interesting thing is like just one guy from Costa Rica, just one guy from Costa Rica. I have at least four members in Discord from Costa Rica. Um, well, as I told you guys, the people here in Costa Rica is like this, they not too much people trust in the people um, to doing trading and everything. It's because we have uh, many idiots. Ya voy, mi amor. Gracias. So that is the reason. I think that is the reason. So well, guys, let me update the chart. It's time to continue. And I didn't know this is a holiday in the United States. Investing didn't didn't tell me nothing. So well, let me update the suns. It was a deep retracement. It was a really deep retracement. But the thing is, the price is still there. The price is still there. I'm not sure. Yes. Okay. Mm, okay. Let's see. Gold broke December. Okay, it's time to prepare the sell position. It's time to trade, guys. So, yes, so we are going to sell, guys. So, while preparing the short position, do you recommend trading Euro USD, or is it looks like bad setup? Doesn't matter my journal requirements. I don't like Euro USD. It's so slow. It's so slow. I like this. So. Okay, the price is still there. That it's the accumulation. Okay. So, well, we got an accumulation there. Let's wait one candle more. Okay. 41.12 could be a good point. Okay, going back. That's good. Waiting. Okay, position is there. I'm into a sell position now. $89. That's the again. That's the best position, but that's okay. At 50. Mm-hmm. TP1. There no 06. Zero 1, I think. 40p. Mm, 5. Okay, 95. Mm. Working into the TPS. testing lower prices. 41.15. It's a crucial point. So while breaking the accumulation, what we were using, that's not a good signal. I'm breaking. We need to break this 4109 now. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. Re-entry. Okay, the price is still there. We need a good reaction here. That's all. A good reaction. 41.15. That's all what we need. Remember, the stop loss in this channel is the most important thing. 41.17.50. No more than that. Yes, sí, estoy en posición en venta. I'm into a sell position, waiting for a good reaction. This candle, I don't like how this candle ends. Why? Because now we have like a barrier here into the 0.5. So now we, in the next step, go back to the point of entry and go back to the 0 and break the 0.5. Then recover TP1 and try to touch the TP2. And of course, if we break the TP3, we will see the full TP. But let's see. It's pure patience, pure patience. It's pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Mm-hmm. So while waiting, going back to our point of entry, pure patience. Pure patience. Already to so many folks doubting you. It's okay. Man, it's okay. It's okay. I'm a little scared about that trade. We will see. So well, all the trades are scared, guys. All the trades are scared. There's need to be relax, and that's all. Thinking something good, thinking something better than the money. This is the last 6 minutes. With you, friend Janita. Nice to see you here. Long time to see you. It's a pleasure always having you here. Mm-hmm. At the end of the day, he is profitable and you guys not. That's why you watch his stream. Well, it's mine. That's correct. As the thing is the only difference, guys, is I have the patience and prepare for the losses, and I have the patience for take the entries, and that's all. Let's see what happened. At this point, the prices want to go in our favor. Nothing to celebrate. Nothing to celebrate. We need to break the 0.5 and at least touch TP1, TP2. So let's see what happens. And in trading how with trading YouTube with my skills, I need to training how I will teach in trading. I need to training how I will teach in training on your skill with my skills. I just open a channel, my friend. Open a channel. I love your way of trading. It's so relaxed. I'm trying to be relaxed, guys. Of course, if I be impatient or something, I will transmit that feelings to you. So I'm trying to keep calm, um, and relax the almost 2,000 people here, for staying quiet and relax. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Again, we need to break the 0.5. It's a possibility. All the trades is difficult, but the only good thing here is, and remember, we need to use the stop loss, guys. We need to use the stop loss. Without the stop loss, don't open any trade. Okay, don't open any trade without the stop loss. My strategy is based in volume zones, the volume into the market. Will you keep both positions open? Yes, I will keep both positions open. The buy sum is around 41, 41, 0, 0, 40, sorry, 40, 40, 95. Okay, that's great. Looks nice. That's great. That's nice. Probably we will touch the TP1. It tried to break the 0.5. Now, at least the price is trying to go there. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. This is the last two candles. This is the last candle. So waiting. Okay, let's roll TP1. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now 51 pips without too much issues. Now you have your decision. If you want to take some partial, you can take some partial. If you want to reduce the stop loss, you can reduce the stop loss. And of course, if you want to receive the entry sometime, more entries, just contact me by WhatsApp. The Telegram is not for free, but well, it's a very good way for taking some partials now. We'll set this. We're going to reduce. So let's see what happened. Finally, the price break this sun. So probably it will retest the point of entry. So share your profits at this point. Share if you close the trade. Share if you will continue with the position or not. By my side, I reduced the stop loss, reducing a little the lot size, but it's still holding at least for the TP2 for take a little more. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits, guys. It's not much. It's the TP1. Let's expect we can go for the TP2. So let's see if the price can break this 4106. I believe yes, it can break it. We'll hold him and let's see what happened here. Remember, the Telegram is a lifetime subscription for $149. It's not for free because I'm seeing many people asking for free and it's not for free. $149. So well, hard reaction. Let's see, we have reactions on here into the 4111. 4111. So it's a must to see a good reaction to the 4111 for see what happened. Testing the point of entry again. So let's see. Testing the 4112 point of entry again. The reaction and what we need here, a needle accumulation, of course, in the next 5 candles. The price respect the 0.5 and then continue with the downtrend. Well, again, a little reaction into the 0.5. There is the point again. Probably at this point, most of the people have the break even. The ones who are still holding, remember, I reduced my stop to 41.50 and that 58. One candle for how much was for this? Well, in 2 minutes it made around 45 pips. Massive candle. Well, that candle was better than the candles in 1 minute for 100 pips. That week was awful. Last 6 candles. Let's see if we can survive there. Still there. Starting now, this is the last 5 candles. Reaction for both sides. Testing TP1, them, the 4105. Then a high reaction. Now looks difficult. Looks difficult to continue with the trading positive. We need to see good reactions in 4112 if we want to continue holding this. Okay, going back to our point of entry. Mm. I take some partial in TP1 just for reduce the risk, because I know we hold the position. I'm trying to pass to around 3,000 as soon as I can. And the only way is to skip as much as you can the TP1. That's in the second entry, 41.15. Our candles, let's see if they can lose some power for the buyers. Just 10 pips for touch the stop. Let's expect a little accumulation and then a really good reaction in these last two candles. This is the last two candles. But the bad thing is these candles is breaking the 0.5 there. The 0.5 didn't happen nothing, and it passed very easy. Just if the price go back to the 0.5 now, looks very impossible at this moment. We will see like it was good, but no, if not, we will continue like this, ending in accumulation and the price still trying to grow up. So let's see. This is the last two candles. Well, the last candle it's in some seconds. It's growing up. It's growing up. Respecting the 41.15. But again, that looks like an engulfing candle with a really hard reaction. At least to respect this point 41.13, that could be a good point. Looks like a resistance there, but well, still there. And probably the next, I don't know, 2-3 candles will clarify the fate of this trade. This one, I mean, we need to break the point of entry, so that's difficult. So let's see. This moment I'm still holding with not too much expectations about these reactions. If it go back to the TP1, probably I will take at least the 50% or something like this of the trade, but at this moment looks so far. So let's see. 41.13. So trying to go back to our point of entry. Well, little accumulation there. Looks like not that strong. So we'll go back to the 41.14. It tests the point of entry and then go back. So now it's time to clarify. One candle and it touched the stop reduce it, so the position ends there. Not too much. The TP1, I reduced the position for reducing if this scenario could be goes up. So at the end, the account ends in 1,600. So well, that's the trade for the day, guys. So that's the trade of the trade. The position will reduce for and stop for 30. It passed to the 56 pips to 36 pips in TP1, reducing not too much in TP1. So why? Because I'm trying to hold the trades at least to TP2 or TP3 for take the first partials, well, the main partials. A little more aggressive for pass. That's this challenge. So well, the price probably will continue in that accumulation. That accumulation is still there for what, some hours, and probably this the market, I think today will close in, no, it closed normally. So we have time. We have time for another trade. So I'll be back. I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm back for take the second position of the day. But first I need to eat something, guys. Okay? So I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon in around 10 minutes for the second entry. Okay, back, guys. I was eating. Okay. It stayed there into the confirmation soon. So let me see if we can open another position here or not. Let me clarify it. Just give me 1 second for clarify what is the best point here. Okay, this is the accumulation. Nice, beautiful accumulation. Yes. Okay. Okay, here it's okay. Okay. So I will try the same point. If you want to open a sell, that's okay. That's totally valid. Well, I think the price will not increase more than here, than 41.15. So, well, I'm into a sell position. I'm into a sell position again, trying the same point. Mm, 41. Okay. Working into this the DP1. Okay. Check here. Okay. 41. 4105. Okay. Mhm. I was a little confused with the TPS. I was using the 40. Okay, TP2 here. 08. Testing higher prices. It looks so weak. The last, I don't know, 12 minutes, the candle looks so weak. Now it's taking some force. Well, 41.17. 41.18 is an important point. Okay, good reactions for sellers. Okay. Well, let's see. Last seconds. So well, just one candle retesting the 4118. Damn, the reaction was great. Probably I would wait one candle more. But well, it was a nice candle for around 20 pips. At this point, it's a must to break the 4111, and let's see what happened there. Mhm, 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 mhm. So well, the price going back again. We need to break the 4111. So a good reaction, your patience. So well, it tests the 0.5, and that's the point what we need to break. So that's important. It tests that point. So well, now they get again the orders set here in 4111. Now the important thing is that orders stay stuck here into the point of entry, or maximum 4118. So let's see what happened. We have 10 minutes for this candle. As a good reaction for buyers for around 40 pips. It looks really, really nice. Well, this moment, trying to go to test the 4118. We'll try with this, with the re-entry. 18. So well, good reaction again into the 4118. But of course, we need more. Again, I prefer this, the first 10 candles. Uh, the last 5 candles, were favored than the first 10 candles, for example. Five, 6 candles in our favor. It would be really nice. Last 6 minutes. So, well, at this moment, probably some people get a better point or get a little more profit than me. I'm still holding. And again, we need to break the 4111. 41.11 is really important to break that point. How can I understand the risk management? Well, the risk management, it depends of your how money how much money do you have in your account. Um, you need to start in that case. For example, if you have $10, even with the risk management, your account is not going to be successful in trading. So it depends. It depends on how much money do you have for manage your risk. So well, the last 3 minutes, important three candles at this point. So last two candles. Again, the price tried to test the 41.11 and then give us a reaction there. At least let me check here. That one. Mhm. So let's see. Unfortunately, the last two candles ending in green. At least if the price ends near to 41.12, that would be a good point. Okay. So well, Still holding. At least we continue near to those points. And again, the good thing is the 41.11 weren't able to grow up more. So it's pure patience. This moment, just pure patience, guys. Pure patience. That's all. To the petty. Testing again the lower prices. But of course, it need more and break that point. Let me read the chat. We're able or unable. Everyone can hear me, right? Because I'm seeing some people can listen to me. I think it's just Dila. Dila can hear us. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go to the TP1. But again, reaction 41.11. They're trying to break that point. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Looking good now. More or less. More or less. I'm still worried, guys. If the 50-minute candle break the 0.5, we can be happy. If not, probably we will see another reaction for go back to the trade and everything. But well, at least now we are in positive. So that's great. That's great. Again, reaction 41.11. Well, in 2 minutes, it takes the position, it takes the point. In 3 minutes, it's the same. 5 minutes, break the 0.5, so that's important. So the next candle for break is the 10-minute candle. So important 4 minutes at this point. Mm-hmm. 8 minutes. Let's see. I'm seeing some people closing the trade and everything. So that is up to you guys. That is up to you. I'm still holding. It's last 7 minutes, so important to continue with this pressure. It's really, really important. Low power buyers, yeah, the expectation. So important 2 minutes for break that 0.5 in the candle in 10 minutes. So, well, waiting. They're recovering the pressure. And the last 5 minutes, the candle in 10 minutes goes back. It didn't break the 41.11. So that's not a good news for us. So I'll see you there. Pure patience, and let's see what happened. Again, reaction here into this point to the 41.11. So the next ones, the next candles, the next 5 candles could be very important. For clarify what we can see. This is what I told you guys. I prefer the last 5 candles ends in our favor than the first 10 candles, because we stay with a really nice pressure since 14 minutes ago, and now the price is losing the pressure and everything. But let's see what happened. Let's see it. Yeah, this one can recover it. Holding with pure patience. How much spread do you have when you close the trade? Well, most of the time when I open the trade, the account take the spread around 0.08, 0.05 pips, no more than that. Well, I'm seeing some people closing the position, so that's an option. If you don't feel comfortable with the trade, you can close it. I will hold my position. Um, Faggy out in B. The ones who already take the B, don't open another position, guys. Why? Because probably you will find a worse position than the first one. So it's no reason to open another trade if you already set the B. If you don't set the B, it gives you the opportunity to continue with the same position and everything. Okay, going back to 41.14. So this is the last candle. At least to stay in 41.13. That would be nice. Forty-one 14. Some push more. Losing the volume. But again, at least to stay in 41.13. That could be a good point. Good signal. Trying to go back. 41.13. That 86. Not that much. Not that much, but at least stay there. Okay, 41.13. Be hit again. Got the spread 0.16, so that's great. 0.16. Yeah, 0.16 looks like a big one. Oh, of course, when I say like 0.08, 0.05, I was talking with the pips, right? I couldn't close below 11. B now. Well, the block is on a B. Which indicator are you using for that arrow one? And this is not the an indicator. This is the entries what I do into my account. Override silver bullet sell side if it goes if it up goes down to 40.56. So let's see. First, after thinking in 40.56, we need to we need to touch at least DP3, So relax. Let's see what happened. Some reactions. Again, I prefer the last 5 minutes give us a good reactions and everything than the first 10. So just wait, guys. And remember, if you want to trade with a funded account, just go into the prompt4match.com. There you will see what is the best option for you. The link is into the description, or and I share the information about the link into the chat, guys. Just go there for check the best offers, the best discounts. All the information what you need about the prop firm is into the prop4match.com. Remember, it's not just one prop firm; it's a list of the most trustable prop firms into the market, guys. So just go there if you want to apply for any challenge. Shows the Telegram signals is for sure. The Telegram signals looks like this. The Telegram signals looks like this. I was well, exactly. For example, there was the stop for today, 50 pips in Nasdaq, and then I'd explain what happened. Gold broke the sun, preparing a short position. Gold, sell gold now. Point of entry, stop loss. The TPs, if gold touch something, TP1 gold now, partial and break even. Preparing a re-entry, and that's all. It works like this, very simple. With a clear information for make it easy. So yes. Price can be go to 4104. Yes, if the price break the TP1, we can go with no issues to 4104. But it depends. It depends for these candles. But it's trying again to break this 4111. Can I enter a short in here? No. Well, if you want to try, it's almost to the point of entry. Now it's almost into the point of entry. If you want to try the short, it's now into the same position than with me. Again, going back to the point of entry. Going back to 41.15. Let's see. Now, if you take, even if you take a better position than me, the stop loss is 41.21. So, well, still there. This is the last. No. This is the last 6 candles. So, important 6 candles now. So, again, I prefer the last 6 candles give us a really good reaction than the first 10. So, let's expect this one. Give us a good ones. Last three candles failed to close inverted. The think the market will close bullish. Now I think it's going to close bearish. Big short coming soon. I hope so, my friend. I hope so. So many people today. That's nice. We almost arrived to the 1,800 in one moment of the streaming. So that's beautiful. That was great. That was great. That's make me happy. The channel is growing up. So that's good. Salute for the discipline. Let's see if the discipline give us something good today. Okay, last two candles. And again, these two candles at least ends near to 41.13. They stay there in we are into a consolidation. The good thing in this consolidation, we are in a not the worst point, so that's good. So at this point, everything can happen. The price can go up to the stop, but I don't think I don't think the price will touch the 41.19, 41.20 for today. I'm thinking at least for today we will touch 41.08 at least. So let's see. It depends for the next candles and this distribution continue. The volume sell some still valid. So that is the main reason. That is the main reason. Puta. Okay. Hmm. Consolidation. Let's see at least 20 pips in positive. Let's go, let's go. Push more. 41.13, 41.13, 41.13. Almost there. 41.13. Well, 41.14, almost 41.13. So, well, we are starting the last. I will wait maximum two candles more. Maximum two candles more. Why? Because of the hour. Because of the hour, guys. So let's expect we can touch at least TP1 and then continue with the trade. I don't remember. I think like around 4 months ago or 3 months ago, we didn't have an entry like this, very quiet, with not too much reactions. So that's nice to remember. Sometimes gold can can give us this type of market quiet and relax. So well, let me continue reading the chat. Let's go bearish as unexpected. Seriously, you provide teaching also on your group, WhatsApp group, Telegram. No work in my country. Well, if Discord work in your country, Discord is a good option. Relax, guys. Relax. Stay quiet. If you don't like the entry, just close your positions, and that's all. Don't push yourself. I'm holding, and that's all. I'm holding. Yes, me too. I'm tired too. I'm tired. 3 hours here. I think we'll retrace for an hour. Candle bar. What do you think? Here in 41.18, it can break. It can test that point. Yes. See your ascending triangle. I don't use the triangles, guys. Sometimes forgive me some ideas, what is happening there or something like this. Yes, but most of the time, no. Mm, 3 hours holiday, but not my first try before with 50p to go. Okay, got. What's your rationale of the gam box on the candles? The rationale. What is me? What is my gam box? Here. I use the gam box for clarify what is going to be the point of reactions. Speak in English, guys. Speak in English. So well, nice little trend. Three candles with a nice pressure. Well, we need more, of course. Where are you from? From Costa Rica. I'm from Costa Rica, guys. And I use the for David. I use the volume sums, my friend. Volume sums. Going back. Mm. Está muy relajado el mercado, amigos. Sí, está muy tranquilo y aburrido. So, well, the important candles, the last six candles. Camboya. Still, it's a still consolidation. Yes, it's in a consolidation. Last 4 minutes. Why market? It's boring because market it's a holiday in the United States. But I don't know why Wall Street and the Forex didn't close. So if they don't close, I can continue trading. So yes. So that's beautiful. Let's roll for TP1. Let's roll for TP1. Testing, they have 41.11 and then give us again another reaction. Was beautiful, that pressure for sellers, but again it touched the 41.11. Give us a negative reaction for buyers. Let's see. This is the last two candles. See the last two candles. Finally, TP1. Finally, TP1. Finally, TP1, guys. But again, losing the pressure. TP1. So try to take some partials. Try to take some partials, guys. So well, another 50 pips. That's great. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point. So that's beautiful. Finally, we break that sun. So let's see if we can touch the TP2. By the hour, I think 74. So remember, guys, if you want to receive the exactly support, exactly information provided for the trades into the Telegram or just learn the strategy, you can contact me by WhatsApp. It's a lifetime subscription for $149. So TP1, guys. TP1 it's now. Set your break even, set your partials, guys, please. Please. Set that information, please. Thank you, brother. 641 profit. That's great. NutriForce in TP1. Claudia Sánchez, $49. Excelente. Muy bien. Gracias, Laurito. Es un placer. Es un placer. I reduce my stop again in 28 pips. I'm take some partial. I'll take some partials into the first option, 0.57, $33, $46. Perfecto. Still holding. I will hold. I will hold the position. The thing is, probably the market can give us that hard reactions at this moment. Looking so strong. So this is the last candle what I'm going to hold. If it touched DP2, good. If it touched the DP3, good. Or if it touched my reduced stop loss, that's okay by my side. The others, guys, please remember. You can take some partials and you can set the break even. Okay. So please always follow instructions. Follow instructions, guys. Another 50 pips. But again, they are trying to break the consolidation. But as you can see, the price go back to the 41.10. So let's see if we can continue with the pressure. If not, it depends. So well, candles for around 10 pips per candle. Arriving into this beautiful point. 41.15. Tu mirada. So well, good reaction there. That's nice. And at the end, the 50-minute candle break that sun. So, but it tests the 41.10. Now we need to continue. The price will lower than 41.11 if we want to continue with this trade. Closed it all there, $350 positive. That's great. Can you please analyze and comment? I analyze into the Discord. Ese es un profit de 1800. Excelente, mi amigo. Wilbercito. This is a T top. Price will be down. My expectation is yes. That's my expectation. But I'm not sure at this point. Just I was thinking like if the price break the 41.11, um we will go back so strong. I'm expecting at least we can touch the 41.8. Porque yo sueño contigo. So well, price still there. 41.12. This is the last 7 minutes. So 6 minutes. Bearish market. We're not into the bearish market. We're into the bullish market. But well, today the price decided to go back, and um, for that reason, the price go back. So let's see. Let's see. It's pure patience again. Pure patience. Let's see. We can see a good reaction for sellers again, and touch the 41.10 and 41.8 or a 41.05. Last four candles. That's great. Good reaction. Dime. Ah, no, voy. So, well, the good thing we need to stay there, lower than the 0.5, lower than the 0.5. But well, it depends of the next three candles. Which TP are more confident, TP1 or full? Right now, I'm not thinking in the full TP, to be honest. Just a miracle we will see a full TP, to be honest. So, but I'm thinking in TP2. I'm thinking in TP2. 60% of the possibilities if we see the TP3, that could be 4105. So let's see, guys. TP1 again for the ones who take the entry, the re-entry. Sorry, for the ones who take the re-entry. So I'm going to secure here. I'm going to set my break even. Now I'm not in an optional B. I'm going to be in break even. So everyone is must stay in break even. Going to reduce it here. 0.7. So well, now I'm in break even due to the hour. I'm in break even. Okay. So please, everyone in break even now is not an option. Now everyone in break even, guys. Please be clear of that. TP1 again. So well, share your profits, the ones who hold the position again, or the ones who do a re-entry for the ones who take a re-entry. It's trying to go up. Guys, remember the Telegram again. It's not for free, guys. It's not for free. Telegram signals $149. If you don't want to be blocked, just don't ask for free access. The access is not for free. The access is just one payment. That means you pay one time and you forget about the pay in the future or something like this. Just is a lifetime subscription for $149. TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now. I would take the 50%. Mhm. And close him. I would take here too some partial. So well, TP2 guys, TP2 it's now. TP2 now. Plus 74 pips. Plus B. Descontrola. My B is taken. Sorry, my B is I set my B now. Now I'm holding 0.30. So well, TP2. Um, that was a good reaction. Probably here, for example. Mm-hmm. Okay. Not that much. So well, both positions in break even for TP1. Waiting and expecting the TP3. So let's see what happens if we can go. If we can go there. So well, it was a really nice trade. With it takes time, but at the end it gives us the beautiful confirmation. So that was really nice. That was really nice. So share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Um, share your profits, guys. I'm from Costa Rica, guys. I'm from Costa Rica. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free. It's a $149 lifetime subscription. So well, again, reaction, and probably it will hit my beam. It will hit my beam. And that's all. That's all, guys. That's all. My B was taken. Why my B was there? Because I'm tired. Because I'm tired. So well, ending the day with a positive for $2,090. I was in I was in negative for $1,600. Now recovering for 2,090 dollars. I think that's it. Clearly affords a calmless and patient demonstrated in this first time seeing your channel. Congrats, Woodward. It's a pleasure, my friend. It's a pleasure. It takes many times, guys. It takes many hours. And well, that was good. That was a good ordinary guy. Finally, you take a trade. That's great. Now I'm asking where shows the lows. He had a loss before this trade. Titan Fitness, yes. I show my account. I show you Titan Fitness. I was in negative for $1,600. Um, I'm ending the day in $2,090. So well, I show my stop loss. I show my stop loss. Titan Fitness. If you have an issues with that, just go back. I don't know, 2 hours ago, and you will see where I when the exactly moment when I show the stop loss. And well, my friend, that's for you. That's the answer for you. Let me see the others. I have no money. Okay, sorry, my friends. So continue seeing here. $871. Perfect, my friend. Main social. Thank you, brother. 64 pips. Daniel Jiménez nos hizo sufrir otra vez. Es duro. Es difícil. What's your schedule? Tokyo sessions for Telegram and New York session for usual here. Now, Top Dog, I'm using around 75. Zero, that's 75. That was a nice raid. It's a pleasure. Lewis, my friend, thanks for being here. Pocos confiaron, pero llegaste a este pedo. Sí, eso está complejo. Do you teach your strategy? If yes, when you can find and teach your strategy? If you want to learn my strategy, just go into the Discord. The Discord is the pre-recorded videos there. Well, this is for this Discord pre-recorded this. There we have the pre-recorded videos about all the strategies, volume questions, Fibonacci, volume sums, goal sessions. Well, many pre-recorded videos about everything, how to use the AI tool. So yes, into the Discord. The thing is, the Discord is not for free. Remember, the Telegram again is not for free. Thank you so much. Hope you into your group soon. I hope so too, my friend. Try to end the day with profit. Yes, I end the day. I recover my stops with this trade. So that was beautiful. That was great. In one moment of the stream, I was in my minus $400. How much for the Discord? The Discord, it's a lifetime subscription. It's a lifetime subscription for $189. Okay. I'm thinking the price will touch the TP3, but well, it depends. It depends. How much for the Discord? Okay, thanks. It's a pleasure. Contigo es seguro. El real secreto de los ganadores. La paciencia es el camino hacia el éxito. Exactamente. La paciencia. La paciencia es donde por eso estoy aquí. Porque la única diferencia entre ustedes y yo es que yo tengo paciencia. Nada más. Eso es todo. Let's see. I hope DB3 is a good support for Bull. Yeah, it looks like I'm really strong. So, well, guys, beautiful session. Not the best one. Today is the holiday in the United States, so for that reason, we got this market very slow. But at least the last trade was good. The congratulations for the first people who do the both the TP1. I'm nice. What do you think about the price right now? It will stay around 41.05, 41.10. So that's nice. That's beautiful, guys. Remember, I'll be back here in New York session. And I'll be back here for the no, I'll be back in New York session here. Well, New York session tomorrow. Tokyo session in some hours for the people in Telegram. So well, I will try my best. I will try my best. Congratulations and thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the dislikes. I really appreciate everyone here. Vince, thanks, my friend. Thanks for always being here. Lewis, Capi. Well, let me see. Humane is here too. Claudita Sanchez. Well, many beautiful people into the chat. Appreciating everyone there. Marcos también, amigo. Marcos, Manu. Daniel Jimenez, Top Dog, of course. Lucas. Well, many people, beautiful people here. Many people from everywhere, so that's great. So beautiful, sir. Guys, see you into the next sessions. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, support is not for free. I'm going to answer all the messages. Just be patient, okay? Just be patient. And think, if you're asking for the free, I'm not going to ask that type of messages. So be clear of that. So it's a lifetime subscription for $149. Okay. So see you soon, guys. Back in Tokyo session. Back for this here in New York session. So see you soon, guys.